Video, I'm going to do a walkthrough of editing your profile in TikTok. So let me go to my phone. Let me tap on the application TikTok. Let me go to my profile. And this is just one of my profiles on TikTok. You're allowed to have about 4 profiles on TikTok at one time. So here you have, say, 4 of my niches that I'm currently promoting, videos and info amongst. I think you can add a 5th account here because it gives the option of adding one. So let me go to this pugs niche here, and this is my account. You can just have a glance at it and see the clips I'm posting, which are related to pugs, what they do, things that are just funny with these dogs. So in order to edit your profile, you want to go to the middle and tap on edit profile, and you'll have the option of uploading a photo or a video for your profile screen, as you can see here at the front. This is a video of the dog that's moving. That's my profile image. Now I'm going to walk you through everything. I'm going to show you how you can put a slogan and clicks and have a click beneath so that you can get people to email you. You can take them over to a landing page and much more. So let me just go back to edit profile, tap on edit profile. Now, when it comes to naming your account, I request that you name it something that you are promoting. So in this case, I'm promoting dog products. So I'll give it a name, dog products, and I'll put a emoji that is related to dogs. After that, I'll give a username, and this username should be congruent with the name of my account, so that when anyone comes over, they can simply see what I'm promoting, how they can find me easily, what my purpose on this TikTok account is about. Now, when you go further down to tiktok.com at pugsowner.com, this is a link that is uniquely for my account. I can go and promote this link throughout the internet with friends and family in order for them to come over and like my videos. When we go further down in the bio is considered the slogan. Now this slogan tells what people should know about my account. This can be edited according to your wish. Now here I have, we aim to satisfy your dog's needs. Below, click the link below now. So I'm encouraging them to click the link below. Now, in this segment of your bio, you can put up to, say, 80 characters, and that's it. Anything over will not be accepted. So let me just go back, cancel. Now, here we have further down website. Now, here you can put your website of products that you're selling. You can also put a landing page that you want someone to come and put their email address in. You can also put an affiliate link of a product that you're selling. Now further down the email section, you'll have that email that you can accept people, inquiries, questions, even say tips for you on your account. Below you have the category, and this is very important. This tells what people what you're about initially on the platform of TikTok. So let me just click on brand, and I can change this brand to anything else that is related to my niche of dogs. Or if I'm in the fitness niche, I can put the branding name of fitness or writing, you name it. So let me go over now. When I'm in the branding, guys, you'll have 2 options. You're either creator or business, and I choose to be a creator because I have affiliate links to my products which I'm promoting throughout the internet and so forth. Now, if you were to go lower to the business means that you're a vendor, you have an organization, so that's a different route. So you can tap on that to get to this category. They say here you can choose a category and so forth. Now, I've chosen a category which is a brand, and let me just go back, guys. So after I've been back, I'm going to go back to my account, and I'm going to continue showing you how I can edit, add more information to my TikTok account so that people can know. Now, when I go back, guys, there is a section by the name of Instagram. Now this is linking my Instagram account profile. Now you can go and put your Instagram account here. Now let me show you what happens when I click my Instagram profile name, Pugs Owners. Click that and say unlink Instagram account because I unlinked it. Now you have the option of linking it if you wish, or you can just leave it blank. Let me just hit confirm to just show you. Now what I can do, I can go and add my Instagram profile. So I can go, then you're going to ask me authorization, that. Let me just go and put, so it's Pugs, this, go down my password to just show you exactly what's happening when I choose to edit it. It's going to link my TikTok account with my Instagram account. Yes, so now we have the link it. So here it says TikTok would like to receive the following information about Pugs owners. I say allow. It's very good. Now guys, look what happens. Now here my account is linked to my Instagram account. If I were to go further down where the section of YouTube, I can go and link my YouTube channel to this platform, and now it's currently linked. But let me just test it out to show you what happened. Now see, I have the option of linking and unlinking, but I'm just going to leave it because it's currently linked. Now these are the main features of editing your profile within TikTok. Now let me go back over to my profile sheet where you can see what's I've done. Now here I have, now if I were to click on the side which is next to edit profile, you'll get two options of Instagram, my Instagram account, and also the option of my YouTube channel. So when anyone comes over, see my platform, they can either be redirected to my Instagram account or the profile of my YouTube channel. Further down, I'll encourage people to click on the link below, which is a landing page that I have. Now have a look. This landing page is linked to Aweber, so when anyone comes over, they see the product, they enter their email address. I can then market them upcoming campaigns through their email address. And that is it for the linking of having a link within the editing section of your TikTok account. Now this is taking some time, so let me just go back. Yes, now when you go further down, you see the section of emails. Now here, someone can email me if they wish through my support at pugsowners.com, which is very important. So that's it really with the editing profile of my TikTok account. So guys, if you've gotten a lot of value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit all notification icons so you do not miss the content which I upload. Furthermore, if you've liked the video, please like it. If you have any recommendation for me, please put them in the comment section. Furthermore, if you have any tutorial that you'd like me to go through, any difficulty that you're having with any social media platform, I'm here to assist you. All you have to do, go down in the comment section and put your request, and I'll try to do as best as I can with your request in covering various tutorials that will walk you through any difficulty that you're facing with applications on your phone and beyond. Thank you, and please do not go anywhere. I'll have a few more videos that will change your idea of using applications online. Thank you for your attention and your undivided energy. Thank you, and chat with you later. Bye.